next topic is index management. Index management, basically in index management, creation, management and revision is the important part, which is performed by specialized company. In case of NSE, NSE is National Stock Exchange for India. In case of NSE, this was done by NSE Indices Limited. So index creation, index management and index revision are very important part of index, which was done by index, a separate company. In case of NSE, it is NSE Indices Limited. A good index is trade-off between a diversification and liquidity. A well-diversified index reflects the behavior of overall market and a company. Some of the major indices in India is Sensex and Nifty. Sensex is index for BSE, which is Bombay Stock Exchange, and Nifty is a index for NSE, which is National Stock Exchange. Now we have sub-index under this index, which are mid-cap 100, S&P BSE Sensex, S&P BSE mid-cap, BSE 100, BSE 200 and BSE 500. When we talk about Nifty, we have Nifty next 50, Nifty next 100, 200 and Nifty next 500. So these are the indices which we have available in India. There are a lot of other index which is available corresponding to sectors as well. Next we have application of index. So index are majorly used for index fund as index derivative or as a ETF, which is exchange traded funds. In index fund, what happens is there are a lot of portfolio managers who want to give the return equal to the index return. What they does is they invest money in the stocks which is comprised of index fund and in that particular proportion, so that the return given by index should be equivalent to that particular fund. For index derivative are widely used. Index derivative are widely used for trading. Index derivative are derivative contract where the underlying assets were index. They were index derivative contracts were widely used worldwide, and they are used in order to hedge the risk against market. Next are ETF. ETF are exchange traded funds which are traded over exchanges. ETFs contains the basket of securities which can be traded on the exchange at a very smaller price as compared to the individual security prices. For example, in Nifty B is ETF which is traded over very less price as compared to Nifty. These are highly liquid and have very smaller cost of transactions. ETFs have advantages over mutual funds because ETFs can be bought and sold over exchanges.